everyone is pouring Coca-Cola over their fries after seeing this genius idea. To start today's recipe, let's put 700 grams of potatoes in a bowl and cover them with Coca-Cola. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then drain the liquid using a strainer. Transfer everything to another bowl. Add 1 cup of cornstarch and mix really well. This is key to getting that crispy texture on our fries. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's hug goes to Ashley Gomez from Augusta. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. It's super easy, practical, and quick to prepare. I'm sure you'll never want to make them any other way again. Now, let's fill a pot with oil. I usually pour in enough to reach halfway. There's no reason not to try it. Next, we'll carefully add the fries to the oil to avoid getting burned. A tip I always give my friends is not to let the oil get too hot. This way you won't burn yourself or splash oil all over the kitchen. Now you finally know the trick that gourmet burger joints use to make fries so tasty. The result is phenomenal. When they reach this point, we can take them out of the pot. If you prefer them a bit more golden, no problem. Just be careful not to burn them. With just a few basic ingredients, we made the best fries in the world. In another pan, I'm going to add a little olive oil. Let's add 1 onion chopped into small cubes. My family always gets excited when I make this at home. I'm adding 3 cloves of minced garlic. It's a great recipe for those days when you don't have much time to cook. Stir and let it fry. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it all with a spatula. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Stir again using the spatula. This recipe made my favorites list the first time I tried it. If you were looking for a quick recipe, this is definitely the answer. It's just impossible to eat only a little.